I'm Button.
And I'm Cappy.
I'm the mama tiger. Daddy!
Here I come. Tiger Stories. It was a bright and early morning. The little tigers, along with Grandma and Grandpa, set off for the train station. They were catching a train to their cozy summer cottage.
Train 314 to Tiger Village, departing from track 1 in 5 minutes.
Listen up, little tigers. Pay attention and be careful. Listen to Grandma and Grandpa and remember, safety first. Safety first?
Exactly. The most important rules start before we even get on the train. See that yellow line running along the edge of the platform?
We see it.
Well, you have to stay strictly behind that line. Never cross it, especially when a train is moving.
And rule number 2, don't lag behind the grown-ups. And keep an eye on your things.
Oops.
Hello there. Tickets, please. Everything looks perfect. Have a safe trip.
Wow. Look how cool it is in here. Grandma, when are we gonna eat?
I knew you'd get hungry right away. I packed a delicious surprise for you. Veggies, buns, water, and cherry juice.
Awesome!
And we're off.
Ticket in my paw, snack in the other, stripy little seatmates, one is my brother. Noses on the window, whiskers in a row. We purr at the mountains, rolling past so slow.
Tiger cubs on the train, choo-choo, best way ever to roam. It's true! We sit, we snack, we play a game, roaring softly on the train.
Tail between the seats, tail in the aisle. Conductor steps around us with a practiced smile. We count all the tunnels every time.
We shout, it's a K for the train! And the lights blink out. Tiger cubs on the train, choo-choo, best way ever to roam. It's true! We sit, we snack, we play a game, roaring softly on the train.
Here we are, little tigers. We've arrived.
Step out carefully now, and don't forget your stuff. And just like that, the cubs merrily reached their country home, barely noticing how time had flown by. New countryside adventures await them, but that is a story for another time.